My name is Charles Alpers, and my wife and I own Zeppole Baking Company in Boise, Idaho. Zeppole Baking Company started in 1993 by a former attorney who got tired of the lawyer rat race, moved to Europe and learned artisan baking. Now in Boise, Idaho, most of the bakeries were offering Wonder Bread style breads and not the European style breads that they had in larger cities and in Europe. So when he came back to Boise and opened a small bakery, a lot of the Europeans came out of the woodwork and would embrace him and thank him for bringing these wonderful handmade breads to Boise, Idaho. I've always had an affinity for high-end breads and used them when I was an operator, so it seemed like a good fit for us to buy the bakery. And we made an offer, and he didn't list it with anyone else. And we took over in 2006, 19 years ago. We didn't know anything about bakery software programs until a former manager of ours had used a program from a different company than Cybake. And he spoke very highly of it. He said it would be more efficient for us. We'd make less mistakes in our formula calculations. We could eliminate some payroll, and the customers would be able to place their orders remotely. So we shopped 3 different companies, and we found that Cybake were the most interested in our business. They were the most interested in trying to adapt a program that would work for us, rather than try to get us to purchase a program that was generic for all bakeries. I would highly recommend Cybake. They're affordable to use. They've eliminated a lot of the nagging problems that we had in the past with errors, the extra staffing we had that had to take all of the orders by phone calls or emails. And anytime you have those types of processes that are handled by an individual, there's a chance of an error. Doing the formulas every day for our baking, which, determining how much dough we need to make, that changes every day. Well, those mixers don't have to worry about that anymore. All of that's done for them. All of the allocation of how many of each type of dough is done for them. So they just come into work, look at the sheet, start weighing out, and are confident that there aren't mistakes that would fairly often happen. It's been a huge, huge help to us. We're thrilled with it. After we saw the demonstrations, then we realized that this could work for us. I had no clue what a bakery software was about, but when we saw them demonstrate the different things, and we stepped back and said, we could use something like that. We find that Cybake's customer service has been outstanding. They're very receptive if we have a question or a problem, and sometimes there's questions about the link between Cybake and QuickBooks or other nuances that we're not quite aware of. But when we've wanted training for new managers that come on board, there's a slight upcharge on that, but very affordable, and they'll take and do not only a training, but they'll send a video of that training so we have it to refer back to. So I have no complaint in terms of if we have any type of question or problem or whatever, they're very responsive to our needs. Those of you that are in the bakery business know that there are a lot of moving parts in operating a bakery. So if there's a software out there that can help eliminate mistakes and improve efficiency and reduce costs, I'm all for it. And Cybake has filled all of those holes for us that were necessary to make us a better bakery.